Good morning, beloveds. We'll wait a moment and see who hops on before we start today's daily messages and practice. So last night I had a dream about pyrite, that this big, huge chunk of pyrite was gifted to me, and I woke up this morning with the message that pyrite is an excellent stone to be working with right now. With pyrite, not only is it protective of negative energies, but it really helps you focus, right? Focus on your goals, focus on what you want to achieve, helps you with your manifestations, and keeps a positive outlook. So I recommend, good morning, adding some pyrite to your meditation practices and meditating with it, or even like just getting this a little piece and keeping it in your pocket, So I do realize the energies, are still really intense for so many of you. And what's really important right now is that we ground and we do the practices to keep us in balance, okay? Now more than ever, we have to implement the tools to keep us centered, hydrated, rested, okay? This is massive. This is a massive upgrade. We are all undergoing massive changes. And when you tap into fear, when you tap into the anxiety, then your body becomes off balance. And what happens when our bodies become off balance? Physical ailments can present themselves, right? So today, let's ground into the heart space and let's find some balance and reclaim our power and strength. Because remember, you are the creator. You get to choose how you react and how you handle every situation and in every moment how you respond. So a lot of your bodies are calling you to slow down and rest and listen to the voice within and take action on that voice. And so many of you are, still not doing that, and you're finding yourself spun out like nothing's working. Take a step back. Take a deep breath. And listen and trust that voice. And listen and trust your body. Okay? So go ahead and get into a comfortable, seated, upright position. And take a deep breath in through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Another deep breath in through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Just let the energies come in. Deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Affirm. I am love. Affirm. I am grace. Visualize a golden light around the heart space. Take a deep breath in and let it get brighter. Exhale out the mouth. Visualize a golden light between the space of the brows, the third eye. Let it get brighter as you take a deep breath in. Exhale out the mouth. Breathing deeply into the toes. Exhale out the mouth. Give your body permission to release. Deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Bringing your awareness to your hands, visualizing them cleansing with golden, holy light. Deep breath in through the nose, exhale out the mouth. Allow your body to completely release the density, tension, stress, fear, and anxiety in this now. Feel the support. Allow the pressure and the burdens to fall from the shoulders. Allow the body to feel lighter, to glow, and to amplify holy light. Deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth, releasing any grief from the lungs. Another deep breath in through the nose. Let the body release, release, release. Exhale out the mouth. Deep breath in through the nose, bringing awareness to the collarbones. Exhale out the mouth, release the stagnation. Deep breath into the collarbones. Exhale, release the stagnation. Another deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Allow the body to reset and clear. And know that it is safe. As you breathe deeply and you listen to my voice, your body knows that it is safe to let go, and the healing begins. Allow all the pain and the density to fall off. Deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth, remembering your divinity. Deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. It is safe now to let go. Simply allow my voice to speak directly to yourselves, to deliver what is for your highest good in this now. Allow it to purge. Allow the body to reset. Rest your eyes, close your eyes. Let the softness wash over Holy Father and Holy Mother balance within you as we release the unhealthy feminine and masculine aspects within. And we come into divine marriage within, divine balance within. Let the ribs cleanse. Let the liver cleanse. Let the stomach cleanse. Let the stomach cleanse over the head. The stomach cleanse over the feet. Feel your spinal column cleanse and release. The distortions in the pain of the unhealthy masculine and the unhealthy feminine. Release. Let the ribs Let the liver cleanse. Let the digestive tract cleanse. Just allow yourself to bathe in these energies for a moment and know that you are so safe and so supported in this now. And although you cannot see the energies that are working to support you for your highest good, you can feel. You can feel these energies in any given moment. You can choose to create a quiet, sacred space for yourself. Grab your crystals, grab your music, put on one of my videos, go in nature, and open yourself to feel and heal. And pray. Speak to the divine within you and all around you. We operate here on free will, so it is important, that you ask for help. You ask for guidance. You ask for assistance. And be open to drop all the barriers of doubt that keep you from listening and taking action on that guidance. And I know sometimes you go back and forth and you're like, what is truth? Is this real? It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. A lot of people doubt their intuitive guidance that is, coming and streaming in. But if your body is not expanding and it's not feeling a hell yeah, and it's not starting to grow with this new light that is available to us, and you just feel like you're constantly defeated, then I invite you to create more space to listen to you, to get out into nature, and to pray and to speak to the divine. And make changes until you feel stuff start to lift in the body and you feel that liberation. Sometimes the beauty of learning how to trust your intuition is to do the things that don't make sense. And then you're like, holy shit, that's why I was supposed to do this. Now this makes all the sense in the world. So, I had to get going to work. But, like I said, Pyrite is a really good crystal that's to be working with. And I know it's an unusual one, especially for me. I don't normally work with that. But in my dream for the messages for everyone today, this is an excellent crystal to have because of all the chaos that is going on. And there's a lot of negative energies, right? A lot of people are releasing. A lot of stuff is purging and clearing. We need to stay focused and balanced and take care of ourselves. And this will help. So get out in nature. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. And know that we're all clearing the unhealthy feminine and masculine aspects within ourselves and globally, right? We're coming into that sacred marriage within. Sending you guys so much love, and I hope you have a beautiful now and that this resonates. And if you think that somebody needs to hear this message or do this practice, please share. And I love that you guys are on here this morning. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love when we're all together. Have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful now. Thank you.